Jamaica's best female collegiate athletes compete at the NCAA Outdoor Championships. A fairly large contingent of Jamaican athletes will be taking to the track and also the field at the NCAA Outdoor Championships, which began in Eugene, Oregon yesterday, June 8th, and will run until Saturday, June 11th. Some of Jamaica's best female collegiate athletes are a part of this 17-member contingent and will be competing in events for their respective colleges, beginning today, Thursday, June 9th, and again on Saturday, June 11th. Jamaica's Demisha Roswell will be the first one going into competition on Thursday afternoon. She will be representing her college, Texas Tech, in the sixth event on the day's schedule, that being the women's 100-meter dash preliminaries, which will get underway at 6:30 p.m. 14 minutes later, Jamaica's 2021 NCAA Indoor 60-meter champion, Kemba Nelson, will take to the track for the 100-meter dash, where she will be looking for a better result than the fourth place finish she achieved in last year's NCAA 100-meter dash final. She will be representing the University of Oregon, and her event is slated to begin at 6:46 p.m. Kemba will have to beat another Jamaican if she wants to win though. That other Jamaican being Kevona Davis, competing for the University of Texas. Kevona is down for both the 100 meters and 200 meter preliminaries on Thursday, and it will be interesting to see if she can pull off the double. In this outdoor 100 meter event, she has 2 sub-11 second clocking so far this year, with her 10.83 second timing on May 15th being just a bit faster than Kemba's 10.85 done on May 28th. As mentioned earlier, Kevona will be back for the 200 meter dash. This one takes place just about an hour later at 7:44 p.m. Jamaica's long jump and triple jump expert, Ackelia Smith, will be taking on the long jump event on Thursday afternoon as well, looking to do better or at least equal her personal best of 6.46 meters done on the 2nd of April this year in wind legal conditions of plus 1.3 meters per second. Would be wonderful to see her better the mark today as she competes for the University of Texas. On Saturday, Jamaica's star high jumper Lamara Distin will be in action for the very first event of the day. Of course, that's the women's high jump, and the ladies jump off at 2 p.m. Distin, who now holds the Jamaican high jump record at 1.97 meters, and also this year's NCAA indoor crown, will be looking to take her record to an even higher level as she goes out there to jump for her Texas Longhorns team. After Lamara, we will see Ackelia Smith once again. This time, she will be competing in the women's triple jump event for the benefit of her college. And this time, the event will get underway at 2:50 in the afternoon. The next event where we are hoping to see our Jamaican female athletes giving their best is the 100-meter hurdles final, taking place at 3:12 p.m. I say hope for this one because it really depends on whether Demisha Roswell is able to successfully advance to the final of the event after taking part in the prelims on Thursday. The next possible showing for Jamaican females also will depend on success in the prelims on Thursday. That event, though, is the women's 100-meter dash final, which takes place at 3:22 p.m. Both Kemba Nelson and Kevona Davis would have competed in the prelims on Thursday, so my hope is that both of them, or worst case scenario, one of the two, would have qualified for the final and will be in the lineup for this one. After these two finals, the next race for Jamaican females will be the women's 400 meters, where we will see the impressive Charokee Young and Stacey Williams facing the starter 3:32 p.m. Both of these ladies have been doing extremely well at this distance so far this season, and I believe we can look forward to another stellar performance from them both come this Saturday. Young will be looking to take the win for her college, Texas A&M, while Williams will be in it to win it for the University of Texas. The final event for the women on Saturday will be the 200-meter dash final at 4:07 p.m., where once again we are hoping that the Jamaican athlete, this time Kevona Davis, would have made it through the preliminaries on Thursday afternoon. I believe that's a full lineup of Jamaican women who will be representing at the NCAA Outdoor Championships this week. I really hope I haven't left any of the athletes out. But you know what? It would really be interesting to hear your take on how you think the athletes are going to perform at this meet. Which one of these female athletes do you think is going to perform well at their event? Will it be Distin? Maybe Charokee Young? Kevona Davis? Stacey and Williams? Tell us what you think. I would love to hear.